Hi guys, welcome back to Math Jamboree. Today we have another digital SAT math type of a question in the topic of margin of error. Let's dive into it. A political poll surveyed 500 voters to find out their preference for a local candidate. The results suggest that between 52% and 58% of voters support the candidate. What is the margin of error? Now, we haven't got any midpoint given, so we have to find it out ourselves. Now, first of all, we have to find the range by these two numbers because they're the most important in this text. Finding out the range is subtracting the biggest number by the smallest number, so 58 minus 52 is equal to 6 percent. That is the range. Now we have to find the midpoint. I think the midpoint is similar to the mean because they do the same thing basically. You just add the data you got and divide it by the number of data you got. So 52 plus 58 divided by 2 because you got two data here. That equals to 6, our range, divided by 2. We divide the range by 2 because we divided by 2 on the midpoint side. So we do the same thing on the other side as well. Now we're gonna add these 52 and 58. That equals to 110. 110 divided by 2 is 55, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. So 55 is our midpoint, and 3% is our margin of error. Now you can check if you've done it correctly by using the midpoint and adding and subtracting 3. So 55 plus 3 should be 58, and 55 minus 3 should be 52. That is correct in our case. That's what it says on our text. So since we done it correctly, we can go over to the choices. A says 55% with a margin of error of 6%. That is incorrect. Our range is 6% and not our margin of error. B says 55% with a margin error of 3%. I feel pretty confident about that one. I'm going to give it a tick. C says between 52% and 58% of all voters support the candidate. That is true, but it is an incorrect answer in this case because they didn't ask for this, they asked for a margin of error. So since the choice doesn't contain the margin of error, it is incorrect immediately. D says if another random sample of 500 voters were surveyed, 55% would support the candidate. That is incorrect as well. So B is the only correct answer to this given question. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you.